Hey guys, this is Boysminam here. Today I'll be showing you how to trade on ApeX Pro using Alertatron. Let's head over to Alertatron now. Make sure to create an account first. Once you have your account set up, head over to Signals bot and create a new automated bot. You can name it whatever you want. Now select ApeX from the exchange list. Since we are going to trade Arbitrum, we are going to set this value to ARB USDC. After finishing this, click on Create Bot. Now your automated bot is ready. Now let's move to the bot settings by clicking on this icon. Now let's add our ApeX API keys. Head over to ApeX Pro, go to API Management and create a new set of API keys. You can name this whatever you want. Make sure to restrict the access to the whitelisted IPs. Just copy the IP mentioned in the Alertatron settings in here. Now copy these values to Alertatron settings like account ID, API key, passphrase and secret key. Now we need Stark private key. You can find it under the API Management tab. Just copy and paste the key and then click on Add Keys. Now our signal bot is ready. Now we are going to create a new signal to open a position. Now we are creating a long position for ARB USDC. I'm going to set the quote currency to $100. This will be the position size of our trade. Just click on Create Signal to finish now. To test this, you can just click Send Now and Alertatron will send the signal over to ApeX Pro. As you can see, now we have an open position of about $100. You can also set up a close position signal to close your existing positions. As you can see now, our position has been closed. You can also automate these bots to work with TradingView alerts via webhook. To do so, copy the webhook URL given in the bot information and paste it in your strategy in TradingView. Also, make sure to override the message section of your TradingView strategy as given in the Alertatron docs. Now click Create. As you can see, our alert has set up. As soon as we get an alert from TradingView, we'll have an open position on Arbitrum as defined on our bot. That's all for this video. All the links and description related to Alertatron and ApeX Pro are given in the description section. See you in the next one.